every day and every night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know it's your girl Active Chupsie. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that post notification bell so every time a girl drop a video, y'all be notified. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at Active Chupsie. And TikTok, it's actually the same thing. So if I say down below in the title, y'all know what type of video I'm gonna do today. Y'all gonna see me rocking this, installing this. My hair is looking like a hot mess. So I just add the castor oil to it. So I'm just gonna roll my hair back way. I did one side, so I'm gonna use some of the edge and swoop back the ear. Inside camera. I gotta add the cap. I think I'm gonna cut out the part on my eyes because the clearer I can see, it's better for me. The clearer the cap is to see the earline, the better for me. But then use a spray. You can start anywhere you want to start. I just start from the middle going down. Use my finger to guide the line right here. Do the next side as well. I'm using the Got To Be spray. You can use whatever spray you have. So now I feel it and make sure all the edges are dry. So I'm gonna start from this side. I'm gonna lift this piece up and bring it over. I'm just gonna cut off this part, excessive part over here. This is why I keep this up. I don't want to leave the back part of my cap saggy and hanging. So I'm gonna spray this part again and get these parts laying down. So I have some alcohol in this, so I'm just gonna spray it on the cotton, and then I'm gonna clean the ear off before I apply the glue to it. The bowl hole glue, this is the type I'm gonna use today. I'm only gonna put the glue to the edge for the first layer. I don't put the glue there where my ear is. So I'm gonna allow this first layer glue to dry completely, and then I come back. So my foundation powder, I don't have it, so I'm gonna use the concealer to just do this. Contour the front part. My wig is actually a 13 by 4. I have a tint spray, but this color is way too dark for me. So now I'm gonna use another cotton again. I'm gonna spray the alcohol to it and clean up back the ear. Apply the second layer glue. this is a bit tacky, but not enough. So I'm gonna go in with a third layer of glue. So okay, the glue is a bit tacky. So it's a reinstallation. So I'm gonna push back the ear. And then I'm just gonna do one end. And place the ear down. And go over to the other side. Pull it to the front. Lay it down there. Press it up with the comb. Press it forward. Oh, this was a blonde wig, and I colored it into this color. I'm gonna wipe back this ear off again. You might see some at the end of the ear still lifting up. So what I'm going to use this one lace, the lace band glue. I'm just gonna spray a little bit, like on the head of the comb. Lay it down here. Before I put the band over my hair, I like to go in with my blow dryer and make sure that the edges of my hair is actually dry and melt down before I add the band to it. When I'm doing this, I also keep the blow dryer on cool. So I'll put it on cool. This is how it looks so far. The lace already start melting. So okay, if you're going back over the ear and you see any part of the wig lifting, like right here, you can always add some of the glue to it, but put it on something like small to apply it perfect to the ear. Let's add like a little glue. Lift it and just stop it in right there. I need just a little bit more. Just good enough. Use the blow dryer and cool just the same. Now I'm gonna use the comb and just press it right down over it. It's kind of white a little, but it'll disappear. And anywhere like you have excessive glue, like here, I'm gonna go ahead with a new cotton. Add the alcohol to it. And make sure this is wet. Okay. And just clean this ear off. If the lace is not lacing and giving you all that you want and it's lifting, don't be afraid to go over it. and melt that lace as much as possible time if you have to. I'm gonna use a little of the same concealer here. Alright, don't judge my comb. I don't know how it reach in this part. So okay, I'm gonna wax this good again. The front here need to get some proper waxing. Where are you guys? Oh, they're right here. I need to push this back part. And that's good. I'm gonna use this edge control on the portion. Apply it to the root first because I want to get it to this direction to start from. I use my comb. Use some of this spray and spray it down too as well. I need to add some more of this edge. Get in there. I have to use my finger as well online to support and take my time. Swoop it in. I'm gonna go in my blow dry again, play a very important part. To wax, push back this. I get them out the way. Use the tools, people, use the tools. You need to get that melt. Bumbo. And be careful. Just part just a little hot here. I need some more here from right here. Don't need this part. Apply it. Press it down in the direction that you want the edges to go. So if you have to cut and make your adjustment to your liking, always do so. This is one side of how it looks. I'm gonna do the other side and then come back. So I haven't made the sideburn for this part, but I do this part, and I don't really have much space like this to highlight, so I gotta go in my tweezer and I'm just gonna pluck it to try and get that space right there. Pluck before. So now actually making the wig. Okay, so place it at the end first. This is what I do. It's a little shortcut. I'm gonna use some of the one that's spray it right here so I can get this ear push back and clear so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. This. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So this is the look it's giving. I'm gonna melt it back down, get this all in. This is good, the argan leave-in oil condition, but this is actually water. So this is the finished product of my ear. The curls, may I stand up? Alright, so this is what the back looks. Probably need to wait a little bit more. This is it. I sleep and wake up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video.